Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to go over how to adopt an agent on the Rival platform. So I'm going to get right into it. We click inside the agent. What do we see here? We can see a name up top. These are the details of the agent. All right. As we scroll down, you get a more in-depth overview of what the agent exactly is. All right. These are the required connectors. Once adopting this agent, you have to connect to each of these, and I will show you that process in a minute. It's very important you connect to it because the agent will not work if you don't give it the capabilities it needs. Right under the required connectors, we can see the required tools. Rival is a supply chain, so everybody that creates a function has the chance to get their function called into an agent. In this case, developers who made these functions will profit. Looking further in this case, we can see that 3 of them are free. The developer who made Slack utilities will be making money from this agent if it uses Slack utilities. Once in the agent, you can always take out the tools, you can add more, it's entirely up to you. But let's move on. All right, we're going to adopt it. All right, we are inside the agent. Off the bat, we can see the required connectors for the agent to work. I heavily recommend you go and start with this first. Now, in this video, I'm not going to actually connect them because I don't want to show you my email. Okay, upon hitting the settings, you just simply hit the plus here and sign in with your email. Now the agent has access and has reach. Each agent has its own introduction. It depends all upon the system prompt and the instructions. The process of making an agent will be covered in another video. By hitting the plus, you can assign more tools, more connectors, and schedule rituals to get your job done easier. Okay, so we've got the connectors covered, right? We got them plugged in. At the top of the screen here, we can see and choose from each large language model that the platform supports. We have to enter in a specific API key that goes along with your account. This can help the agent think in different ways. Here at Rival, we believe that being agnostic is the best path forward. You can choose whatever model you want. In this case, I'm going to be using Gemini. Moving right on, we can see the tools that are being used in this agent at the bottom here. If you want to X them out because they cost money, or if you don't think your agent needs them, feel free to X them out. This is not recommended to do. However, you can close them out if you need to. At the bottom of the prompt bubble, you can see a plus sign. From here, you can add certain tools to your agent, you can add certain connectors to your agent, and you can also schedule rituals. Now, what's a ritual? I also go over this in a different video, but for now, what rituals can help you do is they create purpose for your agent. The rituals for this agent are located in the settings. These are already pre-made by the person who ever built this agent. As you can see as I scroll here, the agent has multiple rituals. You can schedule them if you like, or you can also call them on command. Schedules are located here. Another important thing is memory. The memory of the agent is documented here. Every time you adopt an agent, the memory clears, and it starts from ground one. As you type more into the agent, the memory starts to build up. This is important for your privacy. If you wish to keep your privacy more closed, feel free to delete some memory.